A lot of people see climate change as a big problem, but they can't see what they can do about it personally themselves.
Installing a heat pump is the single most effective thing that you can do to reduce your carbon footprint as an individual householder.
Clean Heat Streets is a government-funded project led by Samsung Research UK, and we're working with academic partners such as Oxford University, as well as public and private sector. We're trying to help people in a diverse community in the south of Oxford make the switch from gas boilers to low-carbon heat pumps.
What's different about the way that we've tackled this project is that we're taking what's called a place-based approach. That means working really closely with the local people.
Samsung wants to develop business models to help us sell our heat pumps, and that needs the project to be a success. What Nick and the team has brought us is a really on-the-ground applied approach to social sciences. So Nick has been embedded in the local community as well as doing focus groups and surveys to help build trust, which is obviously essential to helping the project be a success.
We've known each other for about 10 years now, working on other projects together. A really complicated, tough societal problem like this needs academic ideas, new thinking, but it also needs to build on the kind of hard-won lessons that come from the industrial partners as well, where they've tried to implement this stuff in the real world.
The aim would be to replicate what we've done in this community with other communities throughout the country, for other people to see that heat pumps can work in all sorts of different homes.